Vinyl siding can easily be damaged, but it can also be quickly replaced. To replace vinyl siding, you will need the following tools: a hammer, pry bar, vinyl siding removal tool, and a siding cutter or straight edge and a utility knife. The first step is detach the undamaged siding above the piece being replaced. Use the vinyl siding removal tool to detach the lip of the siding above the damaged piece. Once it gets started, it should become much easier. Now you should be able to lift the undamaged siding for access to the nails underneath. The next step is remove the damaged siding. Pull all the nails securing the siding. We used a Von Super Bar and found that the middle nail pull was the easiest way to remove the nails, with this limited access. Once the nails are out, move the damaged siding down to disconnect it from the lower siding. The third step is hang the new siding. You will need to cut the end that does not meet another piece of siding. In this case, we cut the right side since it's not overlapping another piece. Notice on the new siding the nail slot is set back on the ends. This is for overlapping the ends and allows for expansion and movement. Vinyl siding should overlap the previous piece by about 1 inch. The siding should not go as far as the nail slot because it can hinder movement, leading to wavy or warped siding. Put the siding in place and push it up, locking the bottom into the siding below. Secure the new siding with nails every 12 to 16 inches. Again, to allow movement of the siding, place nails centered in the nail slot and do not fully seat the nails. There should be a small gap between the head of the nail and the vinyl. The last step is connect the old siding to the top of the new siding. Using the siding removal tool to pull the old siding down and over the new siding below the nail slot. The new siding might not exactly match, but after washing the old siding or a bit of time and weather, the new siding should blend right in.